This video is shot using an iPhone 6 and there's a very good reason for it. Welcome to Chasing Tents everyone, my name is Abby and welcome to episode 2 of Monday Motivation, where I motivate every one of you to get on YouTube. Today is all about the vlogging kit I use. So first episode was all about get on YouTube. Second one is about vlogging kit. So I've been getting a few emails from people after my last Silverstone crash video, which did pretty well, and people are asking me, the video quality looks pretty decent, what do you use? And you know what guys, I don't use much at all. And I'm proving a point today by shooting this video using a basic mic and iPhone 6. Let's go through the kit, and everything I'm going to talk about today will be in the description section. So if you are interested in knowing how much something costs or how you can buy it, you can just click on the Amazon link and buy it if you want to buy it. Let's start. First things first, audio. If your audio isn't very good, no one's going to watch the video. People switch off within 5 seconds if the audio isn't good. So buy a basic mic. A Boya or a lavalier does a pretty good job. Secondly, camera. I just use a Hero 7. Now you're going to think what the hell this is. So let me take it through one by one. So first things first, this is the mic I normally use. This is the first time I'm actually using a collar mic. As you can tell, the wire is all out, so I don't care. So collar mic does a pretty good job. However, it can get in your way. So this is a Rode mic, about $30 odd, and it does a pretty good job. It's very flexy. You can have a dead cat on it. And coming to the dead cat, the reason I put it on top a bit, this is a normal kind of camera accessory where you put to make it a bit higher. So if you've got a dead cat is basically a fluffy thing which you might have seen on YouTube or TV, which prevents kind of the wind noise, like all the wind noise. So it keeps the mic a bit on top, and you know what, it looks very basic, but this mic has been proven to be a really good mic. Just make sure the mic isn't too far from you, and it does a very good job. Then the camera, all I use is a Hero 7 Black. That's it, nothing else. And you can just, if I take it out with these, that's it, Hero 7. However, I've got 3 batteries altogether with a quick charger. Now you're going to think, what the hell is this contraption? All this is a Chinese made case which keeps the very complicated and crap GoPro adapter. I say crap because I don't really think GoPro should be charging people $50, $60, $70, $80 or pounds for just to connect an external mic, but this is what they do. So this, if you've got a Hero 5, 6 or 7 or 8, you must have this, otherwise you can't have an external mic. So this GoPro case has got this section where you just put this in and that's it, and then you connect that to your GoPro, and then you can connect this auxiliary cable to any mic you want to connect it to. And then this is what I use as a selfie stick. It's very versatile. So you can have it like that, open the bottom, put that like this. This becomes like a beautiful, lovely tripod. Like that, there you go. You can either have it like that, or you can extend it if you're standing, whatever you want. Also, if you're done with it, unscrew it like that, in, and now if you want to shoot yourself like that. Perfect. I really think this, I think this is about £50, about $70. This GoPro selfie stick thing is pretty good, and your GoPro goes on it, your audio case, and you know what, that's all you need. There you go. Sleek, grippy, very nice, and that's all you really need. In terms of extra cameras, as a motor vlogger, you can really, I mean, I've never sold my Hero 4 Silver and Hero 4 Black. These act very good as secondary cameras if you're on the motorbike. That's about it. You don't really need too much to get on YouTube. You can, I mean, if you've got an iPhone 10 or 11, or the Samsungs have got really good cameras, or no disrespect to any other phone, latest phones have got pretty good cameras. As long as you've got decent audio, you should be able to make videos using any decent phone these days. I really like GoPros. In terms of a DSLR camera, I haven't really felt the need for it yet, but I might buy one in the future and I'll make a separate video for it. In terms of editing software, Filmora. I use Filmora. You can have iMovies. You can have anything, but just for now, I'm just going to talk about the vlogging kit. This was my vlogging kit, and you know what, just get on YouTube, guys. If you're a motor vlogger, you don't need too much else. If you are a motor vlogger, you must have a action camera. That's all you need, honestly. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And this week I'm going to post some different videos of some different motorbike accessories.